What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to compare the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 up against the Apple Watch Series 7 and which one you should get in 2022. But before starting, I have a simple answer to this whole video that if you have an iPhone, just get the Apple Watch, and if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone or any other Android phone, then just buy the Galaxy Watch. Also, if you're thinking to change ecosystem of phones, then this video will help you to make a better purchase decision. Alright, first of all, let's start off with the boot up speed test. So 3, 2, 1, go. On Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung is using a new operating system this time, and it is a Wear OS from Google. While on Apple Watch, we have watchOS 8. Talking about specifications, we have a new 5nm dual-core Exynos chipset on Galaxy Watch 4. While on Apple Watch, we have the same processor from Series 6, which is Apple S6. Galaxy Watch 4 has 1.5GB of RAM with 16GB of internal storage, while Apple Watch has 1GB of RAM with 32GB of internal storage. Okay, so Galaxy Watch 4 says starting up. But wait a second. Apple Watch has already booted up. I think so this is the first time Galaxy Watch has lost this boot up speed test against Apple Watch. But it's okay, both are running on different operating systems. So my comparison will be based on hardware, features, price, and in the last I will give my personal opinion. Galaxy Watch 4 offers a stainless steel case with this rotating mechanical bezel, while Apple Watch has an aluminum case while still being more expensive than Galaxy Watch. And if you're looking something lightweight with Galaxy Watch, you can try the regular Watch 4, which has no mechanical bezel and it has an aluminum frame that you can get at a much lower price. On the front, both smartwatches have stunning OLED displays, which offer always on display feature, and this time Apple Watch has a bit bigger display at 45 and 41mm, while Galaxy Watch 4 Classic has a 46mm dial. Apple Watch has more shatter-resistant glass, but this time I was already able to scratch my display. On Galaxy Watch 4, we have Gorilla Glass DX and DX Plus on regular Galaxy Watch 4. Because it's not having the protective mechanical bezel and hence it is more prone to scratches. Both offer IP68 dust and water resistance, both have speakers and both can make calls via Bluetooth. And here I'm talking about the GPS model. On the back of both smartwatches we have glass with many sensors and both offer fully wireless charging. Apple Watch Series 7 this time has a new fast charging feature, but that only works if you are using Apple's new fast charging adapter with USB Type-C, which is not present inside the box. Talking about features, both are great, but Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has the most number of health features that you can expect in a smartwatch, like heart rate monitoring, ECG, blood pressure, BMI calculator, blood oxygen, body fat, and it also has snore detection. But it depends on the region if these health features are available in your country or not. Apple Watch on the other hand has heart rate monitor, ECG, and blood oxygen sensor. Both have auto workout detection with similar number of steps and calories. One downside with Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is the absence of Google Assistant, as it still comes with Bixby, while Apple Watch has Siri, which is somewhat better than Bixby. Battery life is also about the same on both smartwatches, but it really depends on how you use them. I was able to get 2 days on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, while 1 to 1.5 day on Apple Watch Series 7. This time we have decent selection of apps on Galaxy Watch 4 like Maps, Telegram, Uber and much more, which was not the case with Tizen smartwatches. Talking about the price and my personal opinion, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is around $350 while Galaxy Watch 4, the regular one, is present at $270. Apple Watch on the other hand is a bit expensive, starting from $430 for the 45mm model, and it is even more expensive if you want to buy a stainless steel model. So Galaxy Watch 4 is an amazing deal at such price only when you have an Android phone, because this time Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is not working at all with an iPhone, unlike Tizen smartwatches where we had little compatibility. And Apple Watch is the only choice if you have an iPhone. So guys, this was the video on Apple Watch versus Samsung Galaxy Watch. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.